see, this is a brand new elevator. The station just opened up. Wow. Here we are at the concourse level. This is a cute security camera right behind me. This must be a generic, or I don't know, this is a very nice elevator. Good basic stainless steel. These are your fixtures. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. So this is track number 22 metro station that just opened up. It was part of the project, and here we are, platform. It does take a longer start. That'll be it.